Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Morant Bay and we are giving you a tour of the most popular, famous building in Montego Bay, in Morant Bay, the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this development is a game changer for Morant Bay. But have you guys noticed that of the stores or none of the developments here, none of the stores, fast food restaurants, nothing is open. Nothing is open. They had a groundbreaking here months ago. And look at the just look at what we're looking at. Not even one car. No, the construction is over. The construction phase. But the place is totally empty. The public cannot even drive onto the facility. Nothing is open. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on here. And guys, leave your comments in the section below. The Morant Bay Urban Center in St. Thomas was envisioned as a transformative project designed to modernize the parish and decentralize key government and business services from Kingston. Built at a cost of approximately $6 billion by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica and constructed by China Harbour Engineering Company, the 28-acre development was officially opened with much fanfare. However, despite a ribbon-cutting ceremony and public expectations, the center has not yet been fully open to the public. Several interrelated factors explain this delay, ranging from tenant preparations to unfinished infrastructure and operational challenges. One of the main reasons for the delay is that most of the tenants have not completed their internal fit-outs. After FCJ handed over the basic structures, businesses and government agencies received shell spaces that still required interior construction, such as partitioning, electrical installations, and customized layouts. This process, known as fit-out or retrofitting, was initially expected to take 3 months. However, many agencies and private operators have taken longer due to budgetary constraints, technical requirements, or slow contractor mobilization. Until these individual spaces are completed, many offices cannot begin serving the public. Another major factor is incomplete infrastructure within and around the complex. Although the main buildings are structurally finished, reports indicate that some external works, such as road connections, landscaping, and utility installations, are still being finalized. One significant issue involved the relocation of a Jamaica Public Service electrical substation, which was necessary to ensure stable power supply across the site. Additionally, there have been delays in finalizing sewage and drainage connections, which are critical for full public occupancy. The FCJ has also emphasized that the urban center is being opened in phases, not all at once. This means that while some sections may be physically complete, others are still being prepared. The phased approach was adopted to allow certain tenants to move in sooner, but it has contributed to public confusion, especially after the symbolic ribbon cutting led many to believe the complex was immediately ready for business. Financial concerns have also played a part in the slow rollout. Some potential tenants, including government offices, have raised concerns about high rental costs. Reports suggest that the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation alone will be paying over $10 million per month in rent, prompting questions about long-term affordability. These financial negotiations and logistic adjustments have slowed the pace at which agencies are able to occupy their designated spaces. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys. Have a good day.